Eden, are you learning how to crawl, my love? Come on then. Yeah, come on then, you can do it. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. You gotta move your hands, my love. Oh, that's very clever. Here, come and get your toy. Good enough. That's good enough for Mama. You're doing the inchworm, huh? That's your inchworm impression. Yeah? Yeah? Did you get your friend? Did you find your friend?